Hi there guys, it's Loving from Wisdom Car Sales. Today I'm going to show you the Kia Sorento, priced at £15,000. It's only done 37,500 miles on the clock. 2.2 litre engine, very powerful, 192 horsepower on this. Full LED lighting, great spec inside. It's actually a 7-seater vehicle. Fantastic. We've got 17-inch alloys on it. It's an all-wheel drive vehicle. And it's got a lot of space. So if you want to have a look at the boot, obviously this is with the seats up. We've got a partition in here where you'll find your kit to change your tires, but also you put the seats down, you do get a lot more space. If you want to have a look inside, very spacious. We've got Bluetooth connectivity on here, we've got air conditioning, cruise control, great sound system. You've got different modes of driving as well, start and stop function, front and rear sensors, fully electric mirrors and electric windows. If you want to have a look at the back as well, again a lot of space on here, and it is a 7-seater vehicle. This is the Kia Sorento, guys. It's priced only £15,000. It's a 4x4 car with 7 seats. Now, if you'd like to test drive the vehicle, come down in Evesham at Car Sales and see me.